Ever wondered if all the hype around D5 render, Twinmotion, and Enscape is actually true, or if it's just clever marketing convincing you to spend thousands on software? Let's cut through the noise and see what these rendering tools really offer in 2025. D5. Render boasts photorealistic lighting that looks stunning on first glance, but when you dig deeper, can struggle with complex scenes and larger projects, sometimes slowing workflow in ways you wouldn't expect. Twinmotion, powered by Unreal Engine, impresses with its asset library and intuitive interface. Yet it hides some frustrating realities: massive install sizes, export and re-export delays, and performance dips that can derail tight deadlines. Enscape, often sold as a plugin that makes everything seamless, can feel like a blessing at first, but when revisions pile up, its limitations become glaring. Licensing quirks and stagnation are common complaints among firms that rely on it heavily. What's striking is how two of these tools provide near-professional quality results for free, while the third demands upfront payment without delivering a proportional advantage. Real users frequently mention broken workflows, unexpected crashes, and missing features that make one wonder if premium pricing is justified. Even rendering quality itself isn't a clear winner. D5 shines in lighting. Twinmotion dominates in environmental assets, and Enscape often falls short in realism considering its cost. For architects and visualization professionals, these subtleties matter. Export times, hard drive blow, and software stability can determine whether a project is smooth or a nightmare. Overall, it's not about declaring a best tool, because each comes with hidden compromises and strengths that aren't obvious in flashy demos. The key takeaway? Don't let marketing blur your judgment. Understanding what each software truly delivers versus what it promises can save time, money, and frustration in the long run.